Today I got a cookie taste. Forgot I had these. Family size Oreo. I usually go for original. These are a little bit different packaging. I don't know what the gold medal there is for. The original, Laura original, Laura original. Open up. Damn cookie. Two cookies. How they look like. Let's give it a taste. Even with the half, I like to break them open and eat them. Half the filling on one side, half the filling on the other. A little bit on the thin side. It's got just a good amount. Some of them seem like they're a little bit more. Some seem a little bit less. But not all be accurate. In thickness, this one seems a bit more. Some of them seem a little bit less. Some of them a little bit more. Usually I like the original. I don't like the ones that they make a whole bunch of different flavors out of them. I happen to be on an Oreo I had to do a review for. Does it look the same? Maybe. This one's more round, this one's more oval. It's not quite round. Do they seem round to you? From this one and this one? This one seems a little bit more oval. But what's the metal for? It's the original flavor. I don't know why it's a special packing. Family size, but what's the metal for? Source Coca. I don't know what the metal is for. Maybe I want a gold medal. Yeah, I don't know. Thanks for watching. Cookie review. I should have had a little plate, but just stick it with some cardboard. How you would do it in prison if you don't have paper plates, stick on your cardboard and make your own paper plate. Thanks for watching.